start recording now?
Yep. Can you see it?
Quick. That is quick.
I want to get a bigger pinion. Oh, there we go. Maybe we'll attach a shell. Oh, that's right.
So quick, I'm not having a chance to turn the camera in time. What's that noise?
Yeah, it's not bad. And ring is fast.
Yeah, that don't sound right to me.
With that buzzing noise.
Yeah.
That's that there, it's a fan on the speed controller. Got a fan on it. Yep, now I'll people up. It turns further right than left, so I have to deal with that.